The world's worst problem today is called global warming. The planet overheats and catastrophes are imminent. You can help change the future by planting a tree. And why plant only one? Why not go ahead and plant a whole forest? And why not transform all of this into money? It was dealing with this issue that the project Recreating the CURUPIRA Forest was developed, focusing on the income of the small farmer and giving the Amazon rainforest back to the Amazon. And better yet, make a profit while doing all of this. Dream? No. This is a project that is already taking place, with the objective of creating forests and to show that it is possible to create income by planting trees. Access our website and learn more about this project. www.amazoniarainforest.net. Invest in trees. It's good for you, and it's good for the future of the planet.